Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 4,000 amp 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 230 volt 3-phase. Does have a remote. We'll take a look at that here. Here is the remote. Unit has been tested, is in good working condition. Overall dimensions 29 inches long by 42 inches wide by 61 inches high. Look at the back there. We will come back around, turn this on so you can see and hear it go. Take a look at the O-scope wave here. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.